Are you dreaming of launching your own marketplace? Discover how easy it can be with Sharetribe. Every successful marketplace starts with a great idea, but building it can feel overwhelming. That's where Sharetribe comes in, making your vision a reality without coding. Imagine launching a platform for rentals, services, or even classified ads. With Sharetribe, you can customize user experiences, streamline listing creation, and manage transactions effortlessly. Enjoy 3 key benefits. First, it's user-friendly. Create your marketplace in just a few clicks. Second, you have complete control over the design and data. Finally, Sharetribe scales with you, handling all your traffic needs. Stand out in a crowded market. Sharetribe offers pre-built integrations, beautiful templates, and robust management tools that let you focus on growth. Don't wait any longer. Start your 14-day free trial today and turn your marketplace idea into reality.